Stripe was in the front yard, but not causing trouble. Hey, buddy. I called for him and he came a-running. You guys doing good today? We're supposed to be in the 80s the next few days, so I've turned off the heating pads again. Don't want you guys to not be able to be in your chairs. If we have a cold night, Mom will come back out and she'll turn them back on. It must be Sunday paper time.
Sunday paper time. It's a beautiful
Is
morning.
it the 1st of May and you've got to go read meters?
That's right, I gotta do that too.
Yep.
So many things to do, so little time.
My whitegelia's blooming. It looks gorgeous.
Oh, it is pretty. Got all those little pink flowers.
Yep. Usually I find hummingbirds coming and sipping the nectar on it, so I should really pay attention the next few days. Come out and sit in Ruby. Air conditioner on my face, window down, take a few pictures. There is no place like home. I have not seen the hornets yet down here this year. They're not supposed to come back to the same spot, and I'd say so far so good. I'm sad to see the white azaleas done though.
Yeah,
it was so pretty.
It was. It bloomed its little heart out.
Yeah. But it's finished for the season. I don't think this one is an encore. We're supposed to have 80s for the next 4 days. It's gonna turn hot on us. It's fine right now. It's in the 60s. Hi, Tux. Hey, buddy boo. Hi. Hi. He's looking for other cats. I'm in Ruby. I've backed out of the garage. So far, so good. I'm getting ready to head down the driveway. Check out if the autopilot camera message is persisting or not. So far, I don't see the problem. She did not, I did not drive her yesterday, Saturday. Friday's when I had the message. It's Sunday, obviously. So I'm interested to see, number one, is it the message gone for a consistent amount of time? And two, does it stay gone or come back? I won't be driving to Raleigh tomorrow because it's a teacher work day. So I may not know until Tuesday when I drive a significant number of miles. You know, right now it's going to be 5 miles max. So that's not really a significant amount. I told Michelle to be ready. Oops, I missed her message for a pogo raid invite. That's why I'm headed to South Park. So right now, Ruby doesn't have the message. So I think that's a good thing. A lot of people seem to think that if the car went through a overnight charge cycle, sat there for 24 hours, that would do a more deeper reboot or sleep and power on, power off than just, yeah, I have autopilot available right now. But really it's going to be, does it stay off? You know, is it going to be a message that comes back? If I can drive back and forth to Raleigh a couple times and I don't see it again, I'll probably forget about it. I'm not quite ready to forget about it yet. South Park's not too crowded this morning. I think they're over at the shelter. I did 3 raids at South Park and 2 raids at the environmental park. Littleton, Tracy, Roy, and Angela, and Michelle remote. We invited her remote, Mersing 72, so that was a lot of fun. I have missed raiding with people in person because of COVID. I really have. I was just all talkative and excited to see people, and Ruby has not put up any alerts, so we'll see how she does Tuesday when I drive to downtown Raleigh, but for now I'm gonna say the alerts are gone. All right, we've traded cars, we've traded parks, And we're out for our walk, and Don is quite bright today. I won't lose him on the trail.
That's right.
He started the summer shirt rotation now.
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit warmer and a little bit more humid, but it's still pretty nice out here, especially in the shady spots, which is 2/3 of this trail. So there's the 3 that were wrapped, 1 more wrapped, and 2 almost up, and several more foundations to go. Yeah, the breeze is helpful today.
It's warmed up. The breeze is doing a good thing.
Now Don has on his Run the Quay paraphernalia today. The hat I got him at Guardian Angel, and the shirt he earned by actually doing the 5K.
Yeah, I ran the Quay, I think 3 times.
Yeah, it's in June. He doesn't like to do that race.
Well, not only is it in June, they can run it at like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Right, on a Saturday. He doesn't want to give up his Saturday sleep in.
Not 7 o'clock in the morning.
It's all green and pretty. We're just at the 1 mile mark, according to my watch.
Hey, halfway point.
I'm guessing you're not doing a hit in the sun today.
No.
Well, besides, Don's got a couple things to do at the house. So he needs to conserve his energy today. Although one of them is an electrical thing. You'd be real careful twisting that screw.
That's right.
He's going to automate the back door light that I put on every morning so he can turn it off after I leave from the comfort of the couch or his office chair.
Yeah, well, part of the thing was we got a $10 thing on something over 20 bucks.
Yeah, if you could pick up your Amazon order at a pickup spot. And so Don used that $10 off to buy that fancy switch.
Yeah, well, they used to be GE. I like the GE Z-Wave switches, but Janco, I think, is the company that makes them. And I've had really good luck with those. I've not had a single one go bad on me. I've had a Z-Wave switch go bad, but it wasn't a Janco. So I bought that. I said, well, because they're pricey. They're like 30 bucks. And so getting $10 off
made it more palatable for you.
I wouldn't have. Like I tell Marianne, that little back door porch light, it doesn't burn enough electricity to ever pay that 20 bucks back.
Right.
That it's going to cost me to automate.
But it'll make us happier. Even though Don knows it doesn't cost him anything if it gets left on, he's still in that old school frame of mind about walking out of the room and leaving the light on.
Yeah. Yeah, it costs like, I think it's like a 8 watt or 7 watt bulb. It's like...
I told Don I need a couple of bags of dirt on the way home. Hopefully it's up here on the left and we can see it and I can just go in and pay and then we can come load it up. So the potting mix here on the end.
Potting mix.
Miracle Grow potting mix. Yep, so it's out here.
It's 3 cubic feet.
Okay.
Is that 2 cubic feet?
All right, 2 of those are loaded up. They rang up $2 cheaper, but I'm sure it's the right UPC code, so we're all good. Now to go vote. The early voting site here at the WO Council Gymnasium by the middle school is not too busy for us to go in, so we are going to go ahead and head inside. You know, it's close enough to the house. If it were super busy, we'd just come back.
It took longer to play the Pokemon than it did to vote.
Don's number 721, I'm number 724. That's how many people have voted at this site on that machine. Can I get excited about a man and his tool belt? Did you get your filters changed?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. I thought that's what you were doing out there.
I messed with the thing in the console for Jules.
Oh, okay. I'm out here enjoying a few minutes with my kitties. Marty's had his brush down. It's time to do tucks. Goodness, Marty, did you lose some hair, son? So that's what you put on a Honeywell Z-Wave.
Yeah.
It's the one on the right here. Oh no, it has a blue dot.
Well, yeah, but you can program that off.
Right, I'm anti-blue dot. Well, at least in the bedroom where I can see it if my eyelids are closed.
I like the blue.
I can see it through my eyelid. I have thinner eyelids than Don. We've already determined this. He just thinks I'm fussier.
Yeah.
You know what week it is, don't you?
May the force be with you.
That's right. So Don and I both, we just got done going through the closet. Oh God, that's not a fun task twice a year, whether you want to or not.
Yeah.
Don's done. I've got a little bit to go, but
no, I got a box I got to get upstairs.
Yeah, but we did find all of our Star Wars stuff. That shirt's relatively new. That's just from like last month. I found it, Guardian Angel. But anyway, we're prepared. You best be prepared too.
I am. Yeah.